Welcome to Health Offshore. Visit to Batu Caves Art Gallery. Batu Cave is one of the most attractive tourist spots in Kuala Lumpur. Batu Cave is reinforced with colored concrete, and most tourists visit only the shrine cave, which houses historical, religious idols. However, apart from the main attraction, the temple cave, there are other smaller caves that are rarely visited by tourists. Along with the main caves are two other caves, Cave Bila and Ramayana Cave. There is much to see in both these places, which are adjacent to the main cave. And next to it is an art gallery. There are water ponds on the right and left with fishes and diversions. And then the art gallery starts, which presents the culture of the Indian nation with different types of idols, and each idol has an inscription about it. This is an excellent sculptural effort.